As both human population and its density increase, rapid development of industry and commerce inevitably lead to environmental pollution, bringing us to the subject of water pollution. Fortunately, not all contaminants found inside the water are harmful. Sometimes it is just a matter of how the water appears. Perhaps it is discolored or not clear enough and possesses a strange smell or taste to it. Of course, such cosmetic water quality problems still pose a bigger issue for the food processing plants, restaurants, hotels, and resorts. That is exactly why, as water quality experts, Aqua Technologies often receive distress calls on related water quality issues. The adverse effects of polluted water on our health can be classified into two major categories. The first form of water pollution is pathogens, which includes all kinds of bacteria, viruses, fungi, cysts, parasites, and more. This form of pollution is usually a result of poor hygienic conditions in the environment, most likely to be caused by poor water sanitation processes. Of course, there is a fair chance that nearby farms fail to treat their wastewater, or a malfunction occurs in the process. These problems can be dealt with in a relatively economical way by means of particulate filtration, UV and chlorine disinfection. If all else fails, then the local government will usually issue a boiler alert to the general public. The second form of water pollution is chemical pollution. Chemical pollution may arise from the water supply, or may also be a result of the material that the supply system is made of. It may even be caused by cooking tools and utensils. When the sewage treatments in factories and farms are defective, there will be chemical pollutants in the water. Furthermore, as the population density increases, detergents, pharmaceuticals, automotive oil, etc. may also find its way into water supplies. When animals and plants are fed and grown in contaminated water, harmful substances will accumulate in the meat, fruits, and vegetables that we consume. Sometimes, because of the prolonged exposure and long-term accumulation, pollution will be of higher concentrations and thus be more harmful to humans as a result. It is critical that water should be conserved and not wasted. However, water quality specialists will remind you never to turn on the faucet and drink straight tap water. Keep in mind that you don't know the quality of the pipes and taps used. The government usually does a good job in disinfecting the water supply, but the process through which the water runs through supply pipes is extremely difficult to control, especially within private properties. If plumbing, faucets, or welding connection points contain lead will inevitably contaminate the fresh water. The longer the water is exposed to lead, the higher the lead levels will be. Lead poisoning is most detrimental to children due to the ratio between exposure and their weight. Children are most vulnerable as they are in their prime stages of development. Children affected by lead are subject to permanent damage in terms of intellectual development. Lead poisoning adversely affects both adults and children. It will affect the function of kidneys and heart, as well as affecting blood circulation, the nervous system, and the reproductive system. In addition to lead, other different forms of pollution include arsenic, cadmium, chromium, mercury, and other heavy metals. Aqua Technologies is not a company that mainly focused on sales and marketing. We strongly believe in professionalism. Professional scientific and technological knowledge, professional industry certification, professional quality products, and professional customer service. Aqua Technologies founder Michael Chu is the first in North America to possess both the Water Quality Association WQA Certified Master Water Specialist and the Indoor Air Quality Association IAQA Council Certified Indoor Air Environmentalist. All products sold at Aqua Technologies Incorporated are the world's leading brands. All lines of product were personally tested before being carried in stores to ensure the quality of the product, a perfected user experience, and customer service. Aqua Technologies is managed by the WQA Certified Master Water Specialist, IAQA Council Certified Indoor Air Environmentalist, Michael Chu. Aqua Technologies Incorporated, your professional water and air specialist.